Look here. In the next picture po, gamit po ang kanang kamay ninyo parehas. Pakitutok po yung inyong slicer doon po sa cake po. Yan. Kanang kamay po parehas. Yan. Pointing towards the cake po. Pictorial pa rin po ito, ma'am, sir. Then look at the camera here. Alright. Yung actual slicing po, sir, kayo po ang gagawanan, ha? Ma'am Rowie, yung part po na tatanggal ni Sir Gerard from the cake, sasaluhin po natin yung planita. Tapos sir, medyo kapalan po natin yung tatanggalin na cake, ha? Ano po, hindi naman natin talaga kailangan tapusin yan. Para po kita-kita lang sa unahan, ha? Go ahead, sir, you can now slice the cake. The cake slicing ceremony signifies the sweetness that this young couple will share through the rest of their lives. This should be done as a yearly tradition to remind each other about how sweet life is living with one. Yan, sakong-sakto po yan, sir. Pag nakuha na po yung slice na cake, papabalik po natin sa gilid ng cake table para po maganda ang inyong background while sharing the cake. Alright. Sige, sir, ma'am, please hold on to the slice. And punta po kayo sa gitna, face each other po. Yan, okay na po yan. Sir Gerard, you will be the first one to share the cake with your lovely wife. Very good. And of course, Ma'am Rowie will be sharing the cake to your loving husband as well. With your loving husband as well. One more. Alright, muli sa masigabong palapakan for the lovely couple in the middle. Ma'am, so bigyan po namin kayo ng tubig. And after drinking, pwede na po tayong bumalik-balik doon po sa ating couch. And this time, we'll be calling out the chosen